Why doesn't this person just show their face? If you've commented that or thought it, you're not alone. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on why I use an AI avatar instead of putting my actual face on camera, and why it's actually the perfect choice for an AI tutorial channel. Hey everyone! If you're new here, welcome to Reinventing Life with AI, where we learn AI tools, explore artificial intelligence tutorials, and master the latest AI technology together. And yes, we do it with a talking avatar. Let me explain why. Let's be honest. I'm never camera ready. I could tell you I'm an introvert who breaks out in hives at the thought of being on camera. I could say my hair does this weird thing under studio lights. I could claim my cat is wildly jealous of any attention I give to a camera lens. All of that might be true. But here's the real reason. This channel is literally about learning AI tools, so I'm using AI tools. Think about it. You're here to learn how to use AI avatars, AI video creation tools, AI voice generation, artificial intelligence for content creation, machine learning applications, AI workflow tutorials. So what better way to teach you than to actually use these tools in every single video? I'm not just talking about AI. I'm showing you what's possible. This avatar you're watching, created with AI. The voice, AI generated and refined. The animations, you guessed it, AI tools. Every video is a working demonstration of the technology we're exploring together. But here's where it gets even better. Consistency. This avatar shows up looking the same every single day, except I change the avatar for every video. No bad hair days, no awkward lighting, no wardrobe malfunctions. Just consistent, professional AI-generated content. Focus on content. When there's no real person on screen, you focus on what matters. The tutorial, the information, the AI tools we're learning, no distractions. Time efficiency. I can create AI tutorial videos faster, which means more content for you, more AI tips, more AI tool reviews, more artificial intelligence tutorials. Global accessibility. AI voices can be adjusted for clarity, and eventually, I can even offer tutorials in multiple languages using the same avatar. That's the power of AI technology. But won't you get fewer views without showing your face? Maybe. But here's what I've learned about YouTube success and AI content creation. Great content wins. Period. Some of the biggest tutorial channels use screen recordings, animations, or yes, avatars. What matters is, are you learning something valuable? Is the AI tutorial clear and helpful? Are you walking away with skills you can use? If I can teach you how to use ChatGPT, create AI videos, master machine learning tools, or build your own AI avatar while using an AI avatar, isn't that actually more authentic to the mission? Plus, let's be real. Some of you have said you actually prefer the avatar. You've commented that it's less intimidating for beginners learning AI. More futuristic. We are learning artificial intelligence after all. Actually kind of cool watching an AI teach you about AI. Easier to focus on the AI tools and tutorials. And honestly, that feedback means everything. So here's my question for you. Does the avatar bother you, or do you think it actually adds to the experience of learning AI tools? Drop a comment below and let me know. And while you're there, like this video if you appreciate the honesty, subscribe if you want more AI tutorials, AI tool reviews, and artificial intelligence tips. At the end of the day, this channel is about empowering you to use AI technology confidently. Whether I'm on camera or an avatar is on camera, that mission doesn't change. Thanks for being part of this AI learning journey. Now let's get back to what we do best, exploring amazing AI tools together. I'm Beryl. I'm a real person. This is Reinventing Life with AI. Thanks for watching.